That's a better fish. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh God, I'm so nervous, guys. That's a better fish. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Kit, and yeah, I'm back in the same spot as two of my previous videos, but days are short. Fishing down here has been good, so I'm gonna take what I can get. The only difference is I brought a fly rod today, so hopefully you guys can see with the sun, but I'm gonna try fly fishing for some of these white bass, wipers, and walleye. If I get 3 of those today on a fly, that would be 3 species I've never caught on a fly. And I haven't fly fished in like 2 years, so it's probably gonna be kind of cringy watching me trying to cast. But hey, I don't have to go very far. I just have to get it out there somewhere. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we get a video going. Back again. Water looks the same? I don't know. Yeah, I know. Back to the same spot, but I'm gonna try something different. Hopefully I can get one on the fly rod, guys. It's gonna be pretty cool. Never really tried this before. I kind of forgot all about trying to do this down here. I saw a guy doing it last year. I totally forgot about it. Ooh man, it is windy. It's gonna be kind of hard to cast a fly out. We'll try it anyway. Hopefully there's still fish here today, guys. It's been pretty cold. Saw some ice in some of the shallower bays driving up here. So water temp's down. We'll get the big camera set up and we'll catch up. Let's get the fly rod out. Dude, I have not casted a fly rod in like 2 years. So bear with me. Okay, that sinks pretty good. Oh, that's looking real sexy. That's looking real sexy. Sure. I'm not used to throwing like a weighted fly either. Come on, get over there. Come on. If I get one fish on this today, I'll be pretty jazzed. Oh, I said if I can get one fish. Oh, shoot. Sick. Oh, God. Bear with me, guys. Oh, sick. I almost tripped on a rock. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Hopefully I got that on camera, but my first white bass on a fly rod. All right. That gives me so much more confidence. I know it's a small guy, but we'll take it. We will take it. We'll scoot you guys down. We'll go down here. This is so hard. Oh, the wind's blowing. Okay, it's okay. If I get it to the other side. Ugh. Oh, close enough. Or what if I just let the current take it? That was cool. Oh, I almost hooked myself there. Let the current take it. The current take it some more. It's gotta be a little something, right? To eat this. Come on. Oh, not very good. Not very good at casting. Okay, I'll get water in my boots, but that's all right. Oh, best cast so far. Only best cast if I get bit on it. Oh, got fish. Got fish. Oh, oh, dude. Got fish. Little guy. Little guy. Oh, snaps. That was cool. Alrighty, little white bass. Hey, you gotta start somewhere. Cool. Let him go, little guy. Sure. We'll let this guy go. I'll go downriver. Looks like they're in the riffles, but I can't get over there. Or can I? Ooh, there's the fish. Oh, snaps. Little guy. Little guy. So fun. Oh, easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Man, this is kind of difficult. Hey. That was cool. Is this the most efficient way to catch fish? Nah, but it's pretty dang fun, ain't gonna lie. Cool, little guy. Hey, you never know, I might get a big guy later. Oh, had a nib. Man, if I get a walleye doing this, that'd be so sick. No. They go further. Sure. Ooh, right there. That was sick. What do we got here? Oh, that's a walleye. Oh, sick, dude. Sick. Walleye on the fly. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. That was badass. That is freaking sick, dude. That's so cool. He's not big, but that was awesome. Let me go get my stuff up there. Oh no, sorry. That was cool. That was sick. Let me go get my stuff up here. Come on. Can I get one good one on here? Ooh, that was a decent little cast. We'll let it go down a little bit. Come on, there's gotta be like one decent wiper that'll hit this, right? I'm so bad. Don't judge my technique, guys. Oh God, come on. Whoa. Whoa. So bad. So bad. So tangled. I'm just trying not to get tangled and trying not to hook myself this whole time. What the? Spoke too soon. How's that even happen? Huh? It literally tied a knot. What? How is there like knots and loops all over this dang thing? Wow. I had to jinx myself, didn't I? Oh, just try not to get tangled. And then it's got like triple and double loops going on over here. I couldn't tie a better knot even if I tried. It's getting kind of hard to see, guys. Oh no, it's such a bad cast. Oh, terrible. We'll just take it. We'll take it. Oh, there's something. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, come on, man. Stupid. I don't know what that was. I think that was a walleye. Yeah, I was gonna give up on the fly rod, but not if I'm gonna keep getting bites. Ooh, there's one. Oh, snaps. What do we got here? We got another walleye. Ooh. No, we got a white bass or something. I don't know. Everything feels huge. Everything feels huge. Got 8-pound leader. Okay. That was cool. Alright, come on. I gotta stop messing around. Gotta get this guy in. He's not a big guy, but he's a guy. Oh man, is this even gonna make a video? I know all these fish are small, but I'm having fun. At the end of the day, that's what matters. Sure. We'll let that out. We'll let that line out. Alright, caught a walleye, caught a few white bass. I'd say it's been a pretty good day. Ooh. That's a bigger fish. That's a bigger fish. Come on. Oh, okay. That's a better fish. Oh, come on. Oh god, I'm so nervous, guys. That's a better fish. Oh, come on. Chill. Only got 8-pound test, so we gotta take it easy on this guy. Yep, I gotta let him run if he wants to run. But I can't let him run forever though. See if I get back towards my stuff. We got 8-pound test on here. Don't want to horse him too much. Ooh. Come on. I'm trying to take my time with this guy. Ooh, come on, buddy. Hopefully my other camera's still recording. Man, it's way different fight on a fly rod for sure. Come on, I just want to land this guy, please. Oh, he's coming. I think slowly. Oh, he's coming. Oh, nope. He's going. Oh, my forearm's on fire right now. Ooh, chill out. He's probably not even that big. Come on, gotta get him into the calmer water. Maybe I can horse him in a little bit. Got 8-pound test, but I don't want to horse him in too much. Come on. Ow. He's kicking my ass though. Is he even a wiper? Oh, he's a wiper. Oh yeah, he's tired. Come on, I'm tired too, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, sick. On the fly rod, guys. On the fly rod. Oh man, that was so cool. Am I even recording over there? Oh, it's so dark. Alright, anyways guys, first wiper on the fly rod. So sick. I gotta get a picture. Yee. Cool. Let me get a picture over here too. Get footage of him taking off. He's probably really tired. Making this the worst release video ever. There he goes. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, that was so cool. Whew. Alright, that was fun. See if I do that again. Oh, that was so worth it. That made the whole video right there. Oh, there's one. There's a fish. Oh, where are you? Oh. Oh no, tangled. I'm tangled. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Are you a walleye? Please be a walleye. Man, the rod tip shakes so much. Okay, calm down, buddy. Calm down. He might be a walleye. Actually, I can't tell, guys. He's kind of squirrely if he's a walleye. Okay, come on. Where you at? Where you at? Oh no, he's a little viper. Man, this guy ain't big, but he's a blast on this rod. Cool. Little guy, but man, it's still fun. Beauty. Look at the stripes on this guy. We'll let him go. We'll let some line out for this. Let it float downstream. Get a couple little jumps, whatever these are called, little pulls. Oh, there's one. Sick. Oh, that was right in front of me. Little guy, but man, still fun though. Little guy, but still fun. Come on. Where's my dang rod tip? You guys even see me on the other camera? Huh? What happened? Oh well, screw it. Ooh, I saw a splash over there. Sure. Oh, there was one right in front of me. Little guy. It's okay. He's still a guy. Still fun. Well, guys, I think that's gonna wrap things up here. It's getting dark. It's almost 7 o'clock, and this is even before they roll clocks back. That was fun, challenging, different, very difficult. I'm not a fly fisherman. I've had that fly rod for like 6-7 years, but haven't really used it that much. And as you can tell, you know, I'm not very good at casting, but it was good enough to get into a few fish today. So yeah, man, that was cool. I think I'm gonna do it again. The rest of the week's supposed to be looking pretty nice, so I'll probably be out here grinding unless something crazy happens. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch and bearing with my poor casting skills, but way fun catching those, even those little guys on that fly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try it again. You know, if you guys liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. See you later.